as somebody who works across multiple types of fiber art and uses many different kinds of yarn, here's how I organize my stash. First of all, what I have behind me is an IKEA Ivar system. It is 3 units put side by side. The bottom cabinets are metal and they're sadly discontinued, but there are some similar versions that IKEA rotates through year by year. The upper half have shelves that can be moved around, and that's really helpful so that I can store things just based on the height that I need. So I can kind of squeeze more in or have more space for some of the bigger objects that I need to store. So I have my cotton and my linen yarns out in the open. Over here I have my 8-2 cotton and Cottolin yarns. Those pretty much all behave the same. So even though they're slightly different fibers, they're same weight. They're organized by colors. We've got the reds and the pinks and purples, blues and greens, grays, blacks and whites. This shelf is all different cotton yarns. They're all different weights, but they're all white. So if I just need a white yarn for some random thing, then I'll use these. A lot of these are inherited from older stashes that came down to me from other weavers. This shelf, I've got a little bit of basket material that I'm working on for another project. These are all different weights, but these are all color grown cotton. So cotton doesn't just in white. It can naturally come in these other colors as well. And so these I find very special and important to me, so I keep them in their own part of the stash. The center part of the system, I have some more color coming into play, different weights. So these are, again, some of those are inherited from other stashes, a variety of weights. They are organized roughly by color. These are all cotton. This is 3-2 cotton on this shelf, and I do have enough of it that it is organized by color. It is very pretty. This is my linen down here. Over here I have a range of cottons that are in the color palette that I'm using right now. On some of the upper shelves that are out of the range of the camera, I store tools as well as empty bobbins, things like that. In the cabinets, I organize mostly by weight and fiber. So I'll have all my fingering weight wools together, some kits, all my worsted weight wools. In this middle cabinet, I have my luxury fibers, lace weights, mohair blends, cashmere, silk, and silk blends. And then the last cabinet is all handspun yarns, and they're organized by weight. And yes, I do have a whole separate closet for my spinning fiber, and a lot of it is still in the big boxes and bins. So that's definitely something that I'm still working on getting organized even a year after my move. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.